All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So basement. Basement. Here we are. The basement. Let's get a picture. Basement. There we are. So the room under the floors. Yeah, the rooms under the floor. So like down here, under the ground. Yeah, basement. So I have a basement. Oops, yeah. Yeah. Not every house has a basement. Yeah, some places have basements. It is a little rare. It's a little rare to have a basement. It depends on things. Yeah. But I don't have a basement. She wanted to buy a house with a basement. He made his basement very nice and clean. Clean, nice. Yeah. They use their basement. It has a lot of things in it, like barrels. Barrels. Oh, here we are, barrel. Yeah. Oh, where'd that go? Here we are, barrel. Yeah. Yeah, like barrels. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so I went to the basement too. Yeah. So you have to be careful when you go into the basement, because the ceiling is quite low. The ceiling is low. Low ceiling. Yeah. Very good. I'm working in the basement. I'm working in the basement. You see, because the basement has so little, so little space, it is a good place to go to when you want to be alone. Yeah, alone. How cool is that? When will we go to the basement? Yeah, so we will go to the basement when we need to look through some documents, because most of the valuable things are in the basement. The valuable things are in the basement because it is hard to get there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, basement. Yeah. So underground, under the floors. Yeah. Their basement is quite spacious with a low ceiling. Spacious with a low ceiling. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use basement in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.